Shorten your reins a little bit. Outside rein 2. Don't let her break. Just compress her a little more. Keep the neck a little straighter with your outside rein. And then collect the canter more on the spot and then trot. Do sitting trot. Steady contact though. Stay and trot. Shorten your reins a little bit. Good job. And change rein and trot. Try to keep your heels down. Try not to get tight. That's when she will pick up canter. That's nice. Keep your shoulders back.
Inside.
Steady contact, soft hands, heels down. I think you could shorten the stirrups one hole.